if uzokhona ngicela manje because kunabantu abakhuluma kakhulu athi yes ngizoyikhona lento ngathi okay qala namhlanje ngamhlalisa 3 days la ngathi qala namhlanje ula ekhaya before uhamba ngibona ukuthi uzokhona khipha amateki khipha amakosu hamba uye town mabuya ngibona afaka amaqapha qapha athi mara ngisho asivalekanga.
Welcome to Tsogo TV. I'm here with Prof. It's your host, Kabelo Khosiwa Khatle, a host, Yagote Gushesha, Yagupasisa Senor. Prof, welcome to Tsogo TV.
Aye, Mashaka, Dumelang Mashaka, Dumelang Mitswale. Le dichomi kaofela inyanga muni utehala kashani tseni ka Tsogo TV ngithi I am here to stay uzozonke uzungithande angisho ngabi bafowethu ngithi inyanga ukuthi kodwa inyanga ukuthisisa inyanga yakuba swilo swa ngqondo ayikho inyanga efana na mafavuke hayi ngindoda engafanga ngithola ngifila ngishaye ngife kwesibili.
Thanks Prof for embarrassing me. Welcome to Tsogo TV. Okay, without wasting time, normally,
yeah,
if someone attacks to or touches something, it's usually into good things. After 2-3 years, sing right, 6 months, whatever. Sometimes I end up misbuisha and it's not for life. But then kunezinye that are for life. Tata manje and Slala nawe, so you must basically live with it day in, day out. Two most common itwalo, that's when itwala ngawe, when utwala ngawe, and then gune contract, futhi. All right. When utwalisi kahle ngawe. Agatwalisi ngawe. So, and then win a contract, which is one of the things that you are famous for. All right. What I want to ask is, what is the difference in terms of benefits, the dangers, and none? If I'm telling compared to telling a contract, who is likely to benefit more from that particular istwalo, and then who is more at risk in istwalo leso, and then which one is more hectic? In terms of demanding attention, iskati, and all those things.
Hello, Babelo. Hey, bafowethu uyakwazi ukuthwala ngawo.
Yeah.
Uyakwazi ukuthwala ngawo. And then mina I always ngithi kubalekile maybe mawuthola ukuthi umuntu uthwala ngespirit sakhe than ukuthi athwale maybe ngemzimba wakhe or ngento ethile ngoba ispirit angisho sisebenzisa for so short time ngisibuyele emuva. So asithi umuntu umenzela isithwalo sokuthi
but the contract is for life until you die.
ngisho njalo.
Yeah, so if ngithwale a contract for example, because angithi thola umuntu no okay ngifuna ukuthwala but I'm also thinking about utati contract. Which one should I go for? You know, so if ngithatha isithwalo se contract, that's ispogo esihamba naso
for life.
Yeah, esizongibulala and then bring me back. If ngithwala ngami, I don't need any external force when ukhanda mina ukuthi ngithwale ngami. So that's why I need to, which one is, I mean, like the most hectic, which one is what?
Uthwala ngawe it's easier if angisho uyakwazi ukuthi uzodropa somewhere. Ngithi angisafuni manje. Akufani nokuthi kunabantu othola ukuthi afike mina bra KB at Prof ngicela ukuthwala ngingayenza nje nini ngikhuluma nabantu la but not live. Nganginama patient athize la azothwala. Ayihamba i4. Ngithi mina kini la nonke la. Yona ufuna ukuthwala nithi anifuni isithwala anifuni ini umuntu omunye if ngathi manje hamba ngeenyawo ungagcoka amakosi ungahamba ngawo na ukuthwala ngawo phela manje sokumele usafari somewhere ngomzimba wakho ukuthi isihluthu awusakeri maybe wena uzohamba ngeenyawo kal foot mara nama million but awugqoki isicathu uyemamithini ushaya isudu hamba ngelinyawo so ukuthwala ngawo depends ukuthi wena the consequences ekumele yenzeke emzimbeni wakho are you going to comply with it? If you're going to comply with it, I don't see any problem because of at the end of the day you can exchange to something, maybe to contract along the road.
But how do you exchange the contract if there's a lifetime commitment?
No, phela angisho esithwalo sokuhamba ngenyawo asifani ne-contract ethi mina nawe siyofakanye.
Okay.
You understand? So but there is a little bit differ there.
Okay.
So into efuna ukuthi ngithwele ngihamba ngenyawo uyangizwa nje lo ngikhuluma naye and vele umlandeli omkhulu eTsogo TV bengihleli naye la ngiyazi uzoyisho lento but ayathanda ukukhuluma kakhulu so ngathi kuyi if uzokhona ngicela manje because kunabantu abakhuluma kakhulu athi yes ngizoyikhona lento ngathi okay qala namhlanje ngamhlalisa 3 days la ngathi qala namhlanje ula ekhaya before uhamba ngibona ukuthi uzokhona khipha amateki khipha amakosi hamba uye town mabuya ngimbona afaka amaqapha qapha athi mara ngisho asivalekanga so ngathi kuye guysini yekelani ukuthi into uzokhona ngoba manje ngasithi kuwe ngithi gqoka indwami or gqoka i-shirt or that jacket that you are wearing now or le mina ngiyigqokile do le jacket awuyiwashi
iyo
kuyashisa kunjani ihlezi semzimbeni wakho uzovuma kwamanje because vele manje kuyabanje ungakwazi ukuhlala nejacket iminina you understand but mase uqala ukushisa uyafoma uyajuluka yaqala yanuka nemali mara uyanuka so kuthatha abantu abakudala abebakwazi ukubekezela uthola umuntu ahleli nesihluthu asikanywa lesihluthu uzibuza ukuthi mara inwele ezingaka lo muntu lona why zize sitshintshe icolor zibe brown asekho black zi brown why ayenza kanje ufuna uthele ngazo uzinikelile ukuthi inhloko yakhe ayiyothintwa amandla akhe isuccess yakhe isenhloko yakhe
but
good too risky also kanjalo
but masathatha contract thatha contract ngiyahamba first year second year third year fourth year yazi ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani
yeah
and then gone and then isn't it better ukuthi ngihlale ngehluthu for 50 years and then benefit because you know and that's why whenever someone calls me ufuna contract I always ask them do you know what you're taking because contract is ingakuthatha nase even at the wedding ujayiva lapho let's book it's time to go gone so I mean isn't it better at least to take something and then okay I know ukuthi you don't I was ketela ukuthi mawuthola ngawe what is it that you are ketela or some way somehow that's something I cannot talk about obvious but what if they choose something that I can stomach like maybe I don't wear underwear for the rest of my life why don't they choose the easy ones but it's better than knowing ukuthi at some point I'm gonna go especially for the people that call and say ngitholeng a contract a couple of years back I'm seeing 1 2 3 but maybe am I about to die and mina in my mind I know ukuthi they are about to die but I can't tell them ukuthi yeah manje sekuyakhala sekuqalile lento ngithi no mina ngazi lutho ngalezitho call prof but I know ukuthi sekuyakhala anytime soon so that's what I'm asking ukuthi isn't it better ukuthi uthwale now and then suffer those consequences than to look over your shoulder and not know ukuthi uzohamba nini despite all the adjustments that can be made
okay Brakebi
I'm just asking you
Brakebi asenze kanje angeke bakufune one into easy you know
Okay.
now le uyazi so
I'm just taking chances
and then umuntu asithi bathi kuye don't wear your shoes for the rest of your life. Uzovuma manje. But what ngiyazi, he will come back and say, Prof, no man, I can't continue.
And that's when they die. Yeah.
And then uyahamba uyandlula emhlabeni because of ubreaker isivumelwane nale muntu loyo. So ukuthwala ngawo is savior, but to those who say, Prof, we are not afraid of anything. And then I'm not gonna change my mind. It's only those back years ago that will bebakwazi ukubamba isithwalo se
sakho and then be live with the consequences. No,
Yes.
you're right. Yeah, no.
So laba namhlanje, they like fame, they like shoes, they like to look nice, everything. So you can't go to the just come. I'm telling you, I tested those people here on my yard. One day he didn't manage. Ukhona kuphela ukuphuma la ejardini oyengena emotweni, driver imoto yakhe wahamba etani. When he came back wearing ama-sandals. And I said, what if sebenkwenzile lento lena? You see now ukuthi wena boyofa ungakadla ne even a cent yayo lento le. So as ungayifuni into engeke uyikhona. Hayi prof, angisho bengisa practice. Ngithi so failile already. At Mara Prof, need to put you can be rich. There are people, many people creepy abakudala bebakwazi, but baba is baphi namhlanje.
Okay. All right. So when you would recommend to toiling a contract?
Yeah, I recommend
Yeah,
contract.
personally, I'd recommend to toiling out instead of the contract. No, honest, that's me. That's me. But just to my experience with Yafana, the way
Yes.
67
Yeah.
corner.